I bought something from Lazada. Yeah, I bought phantom power for my cheap condenser mic. So I actually have a BM-800. It's this one. If you've probably seen it. It's the cheapest condenser mic you can find, and it doesn't work as well. I made a mistake. I should have bought a USB condenser mic because I didn't know that a XLR condenser mic needs a lot more shit to operate on its full potential. But I already bought it and I don't have the money to buy a audio interface. So I'm hoping that this phantom power would actually work better. Would actually be better for it. Yeah, I hope the phantom power helps improve the quality of my videos because I use this on my main channel a lot. But I have to do a lot of post-processing for it to work, so I hope it works better. I hope it improves my setup. Okay, I suck at vlogging. Anyway, time to open it. So time to open this shit up. This is the Senda Phantom Power. It's probably not the best. So this is the Senda Phantom Power. We have the Phantom Power itself, the box. We have the adapter. And then we have the XLR cable, XLR to XLR cable. There, the male, female. Hello, so I've decided to do a comparison between the BM-800 without the phantom power and then the BM-800 plugged in with the phantom power. So we're gonna do it without the phantom power first. So we're gonna do with my usual setup, which is the BM-800 plugged into a USB sound card and then plugged into my laptop. That's pretty much it. That's the setup. The recording will start now. So what you're hearing is the BM-800 microphone without phantom power, directly plugged into a sound card and then plugged into my laptop with the microphone a foot away from me. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is a sound test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the BM-800 microphone. I don't know what else am I gonna say. That's pretty much it. And this is it. This is the microphone 6, around like I guess 5 to 6 inches away from me. This is the BM-800 mic test. Mic test. I'm trying to keep my voice as similar as possible to the next part. So this is all recorded in the BM-800 without phantom power. Okay. Now time for the next one. Okay, so this next part is the BM-800 plugged into the phantom power, which is plugged into the outlet, so it will have its power, which it needs, plugged into another XLR cable that excuse me, that is plugged into a USB sound card and then plugged directly into my laptop. And then we have to turn it on for it to work. So the power is turned on and we're gonna try it now. Okay, so this is the sound test for the BM-800 plugged into the phantom power, then plugged into my sound card, and then plugged into my laptop. So this is the BM-800 a foot away from me, plugged into the phantom power. Okay, this is the BM-800. Mic test 1 2 3 4. Mic test 1 2 3 4. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I hear you. Do you hear me? So yeah, this is it. Plugged into the phantom power. It is receiving the supposed power all condenser microphones need. And then this is, I think it's too loud. This is, oh, it's actually really loud. It's peaking. So this is the BM-800 5 to 6 inches away from me, plugged into the phantom power. It's actually pretty loud, so I'll speak a bit more quieter so you know how strong this actually is picked up. It's 6 inches away from me, and I think I have to whisper a bit just for it to not reach the amount of gain that is too much. So you know how there's like when you look into these, there's like a -6, -12, -18. The perfect sound should be around -12 to -18, or even -6 to -12. But now, if I don't whisper, it's reaching 0 and above. So those isn't quite a good sound. It's actually too much. So I'm speaking very gently and softly, so it reaches around -6 to -18. If I go too much, it's too loud. So yeah, and if it's a foot away from me, it's actually right around. It's actually getting a lot more sound as well. So you could really see that there's a significant increase. Okay, that's pretty much the end of the sound test. I hope you guys are satisfied with that. It's raw. This is raw. No processing. It's just the raw audio put into Audacity. That's pretty much it. Okay. I just wanted to make this compare. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you after this. So yeah, that is it. From my opinion, I think there is a significant increase in quality and volume from the BM-800 plugged into the phantom power compared to it not plugged into the phantom power. There is noise. It might be because of the mic isn't that great, because it's lacking an audio interface. It could also be from my environment and from the electric fan that is on. There's a lot of reasons, but a condenser microphone is very sensitive as well, so it can pick up a lot of noise depending on your environment. So that might be it. So I'm pretty okay with my purchase of the phantom power, but if you're planning to buy a mic and you don't have, I suggest you buy a USB condenser microphone, because it's less of a hassle, less equipment, and easier to use. But if you accidentally bought the BM-800 because you had no knowledge and you don't have phantom power and you want to use a BM-800 just like me, then I suggest you buy a phantom power if you're on a tight budget. But if you really want to fully maximize your condenser microphone, then I suggest that you buy an audio interface, but it costs around 5,000 to 7,000 pesos for a good quality audio interface, and those are the cheap ones, okay? But if you're on a tight budget, then you can buy the phantom power. It will increase the volume and quality of your BM-800 condenser microphone. And you should also buy, yeah. So in the future, I'm planning to improve my equipment. That means a better microphone and an audio interface as well. But for right now, I'm kind of happy with what I have and content. I'm not earning. I'm on a budget. I'm unemployed. That's pretty much it. So if you like that video and it helped others, then you can share this. This is posted on my shit posting channel, Sugar Pyun Pyun. So if you wanna watch me more, then you can go to my main channel, which is Bitter Sugar, and subscribe and watch my videos. If you want to watch shitty vlogs of my everyday life, then you can subscribe to this channel. That's pretty much it. That was a long ending spiel. Thank you for watching. Yes. Goodbye.